Okay, Suzanne, I presume that you might have access or you've got a computer. If not, I'll tell you what the first topic is. So, to go to our scheme, we would go to here, Moraweka High School. So that was just bringing up the folder, Moraweka High School Maths Documents. And here we've got our year levels. If we go to year 9, scaled out, there's all the different topics that we do through the year. And here is the teaching scheme. It is a work in progress, as always. But our first topic is number confidence, which involves multiples, times tables, primes, factors, prime factor trees, prime factors, square roots, powers, highest common factor, lowest common multiples, all those sorts of things. And here are some things that you can do. I was going to give you a rundown on how to go through this or how we do it at our school. We're kind of evolving in the way we are creating some of the work. Anyway, there's the start. So after we've done all those sorts of things, we move into order of operations. We then move into integers, and that at the end of integers and combining order of operations with the end of term 1. So there it is.